In this step, we're going to attach the base of Pico's head, or this top platform, onto the body. So for that, the way this is going to work is that if you look at the top platform, you'll notice these holes. The orientation of these holes lines up exactly with the holes on these ball and socket joints. So essentially we're going to slide these in till the holes line up, take a bolt and then bolt through it. So before we begin, just to tell you what is the front and back side of Pico. So the rear side of Pico is where you'll be plugging in the 12 volt DC connector from. So this is the rear side. And this right opposite to it is the front side. And you can feel this indentation, which is for the feet right over there. So what you want to do is you want to line up the top platform in such a way that the beam that has the two holes on it, that points up or lines up exactly with the back side of Pico. And this will be the front. So this is the front, this is the back. So what you want to do is slide this down, hold the ball and socket joint, take this gap right here. Let's see if you can get a better angle on this. And once you slide it in place, take one of these screws and pass it through. This might take a little bit of wiggling. So if you notice you're having trouble with sliding this screw through the first time, it might help to actually screw it in once without this ball joint in place, just to kind of remove any debris over there, just open up that opening. Give this another shot. See, this time it kind of went through. Now you want to repeat that for the other two as well. So you want to hold it, slide it through, take the bolt and then pass it through that hole. That's two. And then the third one. Now you'll see this base is stable. Once you've done that, take a washer, place it on the open end of the screw, followed by a hex nut, and screw it down. And repeat that for all the three. Finally, once you've tightened it by hand, I like to go over and then just tighten it with a screwdriver. So hold the hex nut on one side to prevent it from turning, and then screw in from the other end. Finally, you want to take these wires and you want to slide them through these openings at the back side of this platform. So there are two sets of wires. One is the yellow, green, and blue wire, and one is the red and black wire. You just want to slide them through an opening in the platform. And now your platform is complete.